Hey friends, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. Super happy to be back creating content for you guys. Was out for a little bit with the flu, so thank you for your patience in advance. I appreciate you guys so much. So guys, I saw this cute wreath in the Dollar Tree. It actually had a little bit of the chicken wire in the space of the head and body. I removed that. That's what it would look like basically, and it was in the $5 aisle, but guys, it's worth it. It has a really nice substantial size to it, and it's perfect to create your own wreath. And I also picked up some of this pip garland. It's the really pretty light green and white for the spring and summer, and I absolutely love it. And I'm just going to be separating them out. I picked up the wreath for my wreath if you want to duplicate this, just for just letting you know. And I wanted to show a lot of the actual grapevine and have that coming through. So as you can see, I'm placing it sort of in the middle just to break up the color. I'm going to be adding on some florals later, but I didn't want large florals, and I really wanted to just really show and accent the beauty of the pretty grapevine. It's just so cute, and I'm just securing that in place with a little hot glue. Now guys, if you see this grapevine, do not walk, run. They're selling fast. I went back, they were all gone. I was going to get about 2 or 3 more. And I'm just going to repeat that process like I did with the body and the head with the ears. And I just love the way the colors contrast with that light cream color and that really nice bright green for the spring. It just gives me that, this pipberry just gives me the spring and summer vibes, and I've had this for a few years, and I'm so happy that I'm getting to use them. Now I'm going to be bringing in some rose vine florals just to really pick this up and give it a little bit more vibrant colors. It's on a vine. I think they're so cute. I got these off Amazon just about 3 or 4 years ago, and I've used these so many times, and I haven't been using them lately. I figured it would be perfect because it would allow the actual grapevine to be seen and also not cover up the pipberry, and the roses aren't large and it has the greenery already on it, so it's like super perfect. If you're interested, I can leave the link to this in the description bar below. And I'm just going to be hot gluing this around the body and just doing the same thing that I did with the pipberry, but just on like more of the perimeter of this actual grapevine wreath, so that way you can, like I said, still see all of that natural deep dark tones of the grapevine that I absolutely love about this wreath when I saw it in the Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to take this all the way around the outside for the body and the head and also the ears respectively, and once I get that done, we're going to come back and do a little bit more for you guys. But while we're here, I just wanted to say thank you for being patient. I hope you all are having a great new year. And guys, I really miss you. If you want to comment below about if you want me to do some more Easter DIYs. I did something DIY for Valentine's Day, and I had more planned, but then I got sick. I had filmed also a Valentine's Day tablescape. So if you want to see that content, I can go ahead and edit it out for you and get it up. But as you can see, yeah, I went ahead, I finished wrapping everything, and it's so cute the way it is. But I also have this Dollar Tree ribbon. I've had this for again a few years. I'm sure you all saw that one with the burlap and the pink. They have a lot of ribbon, guys. Don't sleep on the Dollar Tree with their ribbon. And by the way, excuse me, my voice is still a little raspy from the cold, so I apologize if I don't sound like myself. But in the meantime, I'm going to be adding on some lamb's ears. I've always loved these for going in and coming out of the winter into the spring and even the summer, but especially the spring. They just give me this like new greenery when everything is budding in the spring, and I think it's perfect for any type of Easter or spring you know, project or craft that you might be doing I just love them. And I added that with a little hot glue, and now I'm bringing in my ribbon that I showed you previously. Now guys, you always know I always say I'm not the best ribbon maker, and the way I get to the end, you know, it's a process, but I get there just like everybody else. So in the meantime, I'm going to be going ahead now that I got my bow in place, and I'm going to be pulling it out and fluffing it to just be as fluffy as I can possibly get it, and I think it looks perfect how it is right now. So I did hang this on a doorstop just to get an idea of what it would look like before I put it in the place that I'm going to be adding it. It's going to be sort of between my kitchen and my coffee bar area, like a lounge, and it's a perfect little wall where I love to hang things. And this is where it will be located. As you can see, I have some Valentine's Day decor that I did in the previous DIY. I can leave that video in the description bar below. But guys, I hope you like this video and this wreath just as much as I do. I'm going to be coming back with a lot more DIYs and content. And if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also hit the bell twice when you subscribe, because I would love for you to be a part of the family. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and thank you all for watching.